Watch AI create an urban transit trip performance dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our transit data. Bricks instantly recognizes the file structure. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our urban transit data, identifying key patterns in trip performance, fare collection, fuel consumption, and vehicle maintenance. The system intelligently determines the most valuable insights from our dataset. It's creating visualizations that show total fare and fuel consumed by vehicle type, trips organized by maintenance status, distance versus fuel relationships, average delays by departure hour, and passenger distribution across different vehicle types. The AI is also generating summary tables for top routes by fare and delays by vehicle type. Our urban transit trip performance dashboard is complete with 6 dynamic charts and 2 data tables providing comprehensive transit analytics. We can instantly customize the visual theme to match our organization's branding. Now, let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and creates professional presentations. Charts remain fully interactive even in presentation mode, allowing real-time data exploration during meetings. We can seamlessly navigate between different visualizations while maintaining that clean, professional appearance. Back to edit mode, we have complete control over our interactive dashboard with scrolling, filtering, and detailed data exploration capabilities. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.